know that improving your site speed by just 1 second can boost mobile conversions by up to 27%? Today, we're diving into how mobile responsiveness can transform your user experience, supercharge your SEO, and skyrocket your conversion rates. That's where the Shopify Shine theme comes in, your ultimate solution for a seamless shopping experience across all devices. Stay tuned as we explore the standout features of the Shine theme and how it can help you build a powerful online presence. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Here's what we'll cover today. First, how to try the Shopify Shine theme for free. You'll see how easy it is to get started and experience its features firsthand. 2 essential features for a mobile-friendly Shopify store. We'll dive into the key features that make the Shine theme perfect for mobile-friendly stores. 3, create a homepage with the Shine theme in 5 minutes. 4, create a responsive product page. 5, test real stores' speed using the Shine theme, and see how real stores using the theme perform on Google PageSpeed Insights. 6, customer reviews. We will check what users are saying about the Shine theme and their experiences with its features and support. 7, the PRM, which is the PageFly's recommendation meter. Finally, we'll score the Shine theme on a scale of 100 based on its features, pricing, and overall value, helping you decide if it's the right choice for your store. First, take a moment to check out the link in the description below. This link will take you directly to the Shopify theme store where you can view the Shine theme demo, navigate through the different pages, try out the features, and get a feel for how it could transform your own store. Remember, it's completely free to try, so definitely check it out. Okay, let's get started. Now, let's delve into the essential features that make the Shine theme a top choice for a mobile-friendly Shopify store. One standout feature is the ability to upload different images for desktop and mobile views. I'll demonstrate uploading different images for each device. Here you go. Notice how the images display differently on desktop and mobile. This allows you to ensure that your visuals are optimized for both screen sizes, providing a tailored experience for all users. Next, let's explore the extensive customization options. By selecting Add Section, you can access 28 customizable sections with enhanced functionality. This flexibility enables you to create a unique and engaging shopping experience for your customers. The Shine theme is also designed for conversions with features like smart product recommendations, a sticky add to cart button, quick buy options, and countdown timers. And yes, performance is crucial, and the Shine theme is optimized for fast loading times as well. It has been tested on Google PageSpeed Insights, and the results are impressive. For mobile, the Shine theme scores an impressive 80, ensuring a fast and seamless experience for users on the go. On desktop, it scores an outstanding 95, making it a top choice for a responsive and efficient Shopify store. These scores demonstrate that the Shine theme is optimized for both mobile and desktop devices, providing your customers with a smooth and enjoyable shopping experience. Moving on to another exciting part, I'll show you how to create a stunning homepage with the Shine theme in just 5 minutes. First things first, let's pick the style that suits your brand best. The theme offers 2 options, sophisticated and energetic. Just choose the one that resonates with your brand's vibe to get started. Next, we're going to adjust the colors to match your brand's identity. Head over to the color settings and pick a palette that reflects your brand's personality. This will help create a cohesive look throughout your store. Now, let's fill in the images, text, and products. Notice how the images display differently based on the device, providing a tailored experience for all users. Here, we can see that there is a dedicated section for mobile customization for almost every element. This is awesome because it allows full control over how your store looks on both desktop and mobile devices. For some elements, you can choose whether text or images appear first to create the most engaging layout for your audience. For instance, on a desktop, you might want the image first, but on mobile, having the text first could be more impactful. You can choose between regular and large modes depending on how you want your content to be displayed. This flexibility allows you to highlight the most important parts of your homepage effectively. Then add compelling text that highlights your brand story and value proposition. If you have any special promotions or featured products, make sure they stand out. Now that we've set up a stunning homepage, let's move on to customizing your product page with the Shine theme. Pretty much everything you need has been set up here. Now you just need to tweak it to match your brand vibe. Let's enhance your product page by adding more sections. Start with customer reviews. Adding customer reviews builds trust and provides social proof that can encourage potential buyers to make a purchase. You can upload the image or avatar for the review, modify the star rating, the customer name, the title, and pretty much anything else you need here. Then add a section for detailed product information. This can include specifications, usage instructions, and any other relevant details that help customers make informed decisions. Customize this for the mobile view as well. Lastly, let's add a running text section for promotions if you have any. This is a great way to highlight special offers, discounts, or any other promotional messages that you want your customers to see immediately. When you preview your page, make sure to check both views to see how your content adapts seamlessly. This ensures a consistent and engaging experience for all your customers, no matter what device they're using. One of the best aspects of the Shine theme is its responsiveness. Don't forget to explore all the customization options to make your store truly unique. If you have any questions or need further assistance, leave a comment below. Happy customizing, and stay tuned for more tips and tricks. Now, let's test some real stores using the Shine theme and analyze their performance with Google Page Speed Insights. We'll be looking at 2 stores, Regal Beauty Products and Hello Period. First up, let's take a look at Regal Beauty Products. On mobile, this store scored an 81 for performance. This indicates good speed and optimization, but there are areas for improvement. For instance, we can see suggestions to reduce initial server response time and eliminate render blocking resources. Implementing these changes can further enhance the user experience on mobile devices. On desktop, the performance score is 97, which is excellent. This high score shows that the Shine theme ensures a fast and smooth browsing experience. Suggestions here are minimal, but can include optimizing images even further to maintain peak performance. Next, let's move on to Hello Period. On mobile, this store scored a 94 for performance. This is a strong performance score, indicating that the site is well optimized for mobile users. Suggestions for improvement include reducing unused JavaScript and ensuring text remains visible during web font load. On the desktop, the performance score for Hello Period is 99, which is nearly perfect. This highlights the Shine theme's ability to deliver an exceptional user experience on desktop devices. Again, minor suggestions such as optimizing images can help maintain this high level of performance. What is the speed score of your store on mobile and desktop? Analyzing these real stores shows how the Shine theme can deliver strong performance across both mobile and desktop devices. By following the suggestions provided by Google Page Speed Insights, you can further optimize your store to ensure a fast, smooth, and engaging experience for your customers. Now that we've seen how the Shine theme performs in real-world scenarios, let's hear what customers have to say about it. Although the theme is relatively new, we have a positive review from the team at Hello Period Bloody Good Workplace program. They shared, "Great theme, which has allowed us to create a really beautiful and functional site." This feedback highlights the Shine theme's capability to help businesses build attractive and efficient online stores. With more users adopting the theme, we can look forward to more feedback and possibly new features or updates in the future. We'd love for you to give the Shine theme a try. It's packed with impressive features and backed by responsive support, making it a great option for building a beautiful and functional store. Check it out and see what it can do for your business. After exploring the features and hearing customer feedback, let's dive into how the Shine theme scores on our PRM PageFly's recommendation meter. First, let's highlight the standout features that contribute to its high score. The Shine theme includes 28 customizable features, allowing you to tailor your store exactly to your needs. This flexibility helps you create a unique and engaging shopping experience for your customers. Next, its responsive design ensures your store looks stunning and functions seamlessly across all devices, whether your customers are shopping on a desktop, tablet, or mobile. Ease of use is another major plus. The Shine theme is user-friendly, making it easy to set up and customize, even if you're not a tech expert. Plus, it comes with reliable support to assist you with any questions or issues. One of the best aspects is the pricing model. It's a one-time payment with unlimited updates. This means you pay once and continue to receive all future updates, keeping your store current without any additional costs. Considering these features and benefits, the Shine theme is definitely worth the investment. It allows you to effortlessly create a responsive and beautiful store and start selling right away. Based on the theme's responsiveness, mobile-friendly features, and overall value, we score the Shine theme 96 out of 100 on the PRM. This high score reflects its ability to enhance your store's aesthetics and functionality, making it an excellent choice for any e-commerce business. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest Shopify tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy selling. See you in the next video.